Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how I create this look for my birthday shoot. So stay tuned. Welcome back again to my channel. So the first thing I will be doing is to cleanse my skin with this Angel Baby Wipes and this my skin cleanser. Since it is my personal makeup routine, I love using this face cleanser first to take off the excess oil and dirt away from my skin before anything. I always love this because it is always super cool on me. So next after that I will be moisturizing my lip with this lip balm. I so much love this lip balm lately. The effect this lip balm has been giving me is super. So next I went into the skin moisturizer by Snail CPD Snail to moisturize my skin thoroughly. Always remember there is no how and there's no time you find me, you see me on makeup without moisturizing my skin because moisturizer give me that cool and soft tender effect that I always require. So next I went into this vitamin C serum by Estelin. I've been loving this, the magic this Estelin serum has been performing on my skin. It's lightening my skin naturally even without using any harsh products on my skin. It gives me that natural brightening effect. So you can see the glow it's giving me. It's number one. So next I went into this and fan again and blow dry my skin. I allow the product to get absorbed into my skin because before going into any other products. So next I will be using this salicylic acid. Is this a salicylic acid or what is it called? I can't even pronounce it very well. I went into it and dropped about 3 drops on my skin again before spreading. So you can see I'm loving all the magic this product has been giving me. Like it doesn't allow the formation of pimples, talk less of pores on my skin. As in, guys, I love it so much. So after that I went into the fan again and blow dry my skin. I don't know, lately I've been so much fond of this fan because I do sweat a lot, so I'm like carrying it all about to blow dry my skin. So guys, you can just see. So next after that I will be going into this Becca face primer to prime my T-zone area, as in the area where I do produce excess oil. So I do prime it. So I'm loving the effect this thing is giving me already. You can see I'm loving this vibe. So guys, I didn't know when the camera stopped I couldn't record the process of the foundation. I did not know. I just noticed while I was editing that I did not record the foundation process. So this is just the contouring process, you can just see. So I'm just trying to contour the whole of my face. So next after that I went into this uh, Airspun products, set I mean baking powder, setting powder to set my eye area up. So all the parts, the foundation part process, the concealing products, priming process, I couldn't record it. So I'm so sorry guys, but it's just a normal process that will I've been doing in other of my products, other of my videos. So you can check my other videos so to check for the process on how I do apply foundation and how I do highlight my under eye area. So here I'm just trying to set up all the contoured and the highlight, I mean the concealed area, in order for me to be able to move into some other things. So next I went into my brow. I used this brow tamer to tame my brow down, and I used the tail of my brow to flatten it down. So you can just see the same thing I did to the other side. That's what I'm trying to perform to this side. So I went into the Airspun baking powder to set up the brow tamer around my brow area before using any other product. So next I will be using this Karite brow gel in shade brown to carve my brow. You can just see, if you want to see the full details on how to carve your brow like a professional, so you can go to my next, I have the video already on this channel. You can click on it and check. So I'm going to put it down on, is it at the right hand side here or the left hand side? Just check the link. You'll see the full video on how you can carve the brow like a pro by yourself. So guys, this is just it. You can see the process I'm taking for this brow. I'm just doing it step by step. I'm not just dragging the product on my brow. So this is just it. The same thing I did to the other side, I went ahead and do it again. So next I will be defining my brow with the concealer, the same concealer that I used to highlight my under eye area. So that's what I'll be using to define my brow. You can just see how my brow is brewing already, guys. Guys, don't mind my voice lately. Like since, was it since April or May, I've been having kind of funny voice, as in I've been having constant cold, so I couldn't do voiceover. I just said that let me just try this time around. So next I went into the concealer and used that to cover up the pigmented area around my eye. So, and I'm using this also as a shadow base. You can see, because since the product I'm going to be using is not something that is too heavy, I'm not going to be using that very heavy shadow. So that's why I'm using this concealer already to cover up the dark circle around my eyelid and my crease area. So at the same time we'll be using this again to do the base. So next I went into the brown, the Karite brown brow gel that I used to carve my brow. So I'm going to be applying this on my eyelid as a base, because I really want this makeup to come out, like to pop out nice. I want to achieve that brown shadow effect on my eyelid, so I really want my eyes to be popped. So next I went into this La Posh shadow palette. I tapped into the brown shade and I used that to set all my crease area up, set it off, and the corner of my eye area. You can just see the effect the shadow is giving already. I'm so much love it. So like I really decided to have this great look for my birthday shoot. Like I did not even plan it. I was having a party the next day, and the clothes that we were supposed to use for that party, I was just like, let me quickly use this for my birthday shoot so that my 42 birthday will not just go without having any look. So next after that I went into that the same eyeshadow palette. I tap into that golden color and I'm tapping it into my lid straight away. Like look at the effect this glitter is giving me. I'm loving it so much, guys. Like seriously, guys, I'm feeling myself. So next I will be using this Karite black gel to line my waterline area. You can just see I'm lining my waterline area. Just the same process. There's nothing new, guys. There's nothing new. Just the same process I've been using for my makeup. That's what I'm just using. So I just want you to get to see how I created and how I did make, I do makeup, made myself up for my 42 birthday makeup. So that, birthday shoots, that's just the main reason why I decided to show you this video, the process of this video. Next I went into the lash line area and lined my lash line area with the same black gel liner that I use. That's what I'm using to line my lash line area. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, welcome to my channel. I am Folasade. On this channel we upload different kinds of makeup tutorial hair tutorial, daily tutorial, and so on, even vlogs and traveling vlogs. So be expecting more of this on this channel. So after that, I went into the same shadow that I used to create, to blend my, for the transitioning around my crease area. So that's what I'm using for my, the under eye area. So after that, I went into the mascara. I'm using this Bobbi Brown mascara to raise my latch, or before placing the first latches. So I went ahead and placed the glue on these latches of the camera, so you can see, because I don't really want this video to be unnecessarily too long. So that's why I'm just cutting everything fast so guys, I hope you are enjoying this my tutorial. I hope you are enjoying this my video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscription is absolutely free, guys. Join my community if you want to be enjoying more of this kind of video, the hair tutorial that you can just do and achieve on yourself, makeup tutorial, how you can rock your lip, different colors of lip color, how you can rock it without looking for professional, that you can still look like a professional. If you want to achieve such thing, this channel is the best for you. Look at how my skin, my face is looking already. So I went into my styling brush and brush my brow again, so because I really want my starting point to look very natural. So next I went into my lip and line my lip. So I'm using the Jacklyn lip palette to line my lip. I think the color that I'm using, it is brown shade. That's what I'm using to line my line area, in order to give that my lip that full effect of the lip application. That's why I went into this. And don't forget, before this, I've already applied the lip moisturizer in order to keep my lip very soft and tender. So guys, if you want to be seeing more of this kind of video, of this kind of lip tutorial, so check my link, check my other video, my previous video. I think I have different kinds of lip tutorial. Just go into, click on that video and watch. You will enjoy yourself a lot, guys. So you can see how I'm working on my lip. I'm not rushing actually. So after that, after applying the lip liner, I went into the lip brush again. I'm using that to blend all my lip. You can see the lip, this is the lip palette. So I went into this color again. I think this is shade pink. Is it pink? Yeah, it's the lighter shade of pink. That's what I'm using to, I'm applying at the middle part of my lip. So now I'm using this lip brush to blend the line in between the lip liner and the the lip color, in order to be able to blend in that line, in order not to have that ash pattern in between the lip liner and the lip color. So already I'm loving this effect this lip color is giving me. I am that fans of nude lip. I love something very nude on me, especially if it is something that I'm taking, or like for my personal use. I love it to be very, very nude. So guys, you can just see how I'm working on that lip. I'm emphasizing more on my lip because, I don't want it to be too much. Guys, you can see my lip is piping already. So next I went into the powder and do the finishing touching of my look. So all the necessary product that I use, I'm going to write it down on the description box below. And you can see next I went into the fix sprayer and set the whole of my face. Voila, look at the end result of my makeup. Yeah, if you want to see the tutorial on how I made this hair on myself, it's coming up next. So guys, I really appreciate you. Hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the first to see my new video. I really love you all. To all my returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you. Bye. Keep saying you gonna come through. Am I good enough?